$140 from Chrysler for this car.
Let's see this.
That's worth a picture.
Now, wow, what? That's the build sheet?
Yep.
$3,000.
Got it.
Amazing. When was this? Holy 69. This yours?
It's his.
Nice.
I got this little girl.
Okay. 69, eh? You bought this right from factory, eh?
No, that's
Oh, you found the build sheet.
the original window sticker they used to have in those days.
Where'd you find that? Like the window sticker?
There's a guy in the States that produces it for you based on the information you provide him, and the serial number and all the option codes.
Oh, that's not bad.
Yeah, and he's got all the prices and everything, so
Okay.
he can figure out what it originally sold for.
Nice. Where'd you pick this thing up?
Oh, that's Minnesota car.
It's a Minnesota car. Did you drive, like you picked it up from Minnesota? Or?
It's when the car transport brought up. Yeah.
Nice. So it saw some winners, a little bit of winners, eh?
Not too many. It was restored 15 years ago.
15. Did you buy it restored? Or did you restore it? How much was that?
You don't want to buy anything that's not restored.
Yeah. How much was that?
What?
When
The restoration was 40.
$40,000?
The price of the car on top.
Yeah. Is this like a full wrestler? Or did you add anything?
Frame off.
Frame off everything. Yeah.
I've got all the pictures of the complete restoration.
Amazing.
All the paint work, all the Bondo work.
Yeah.
It's nice and organized.
Wow.
The guy that originally bought it
Was a painter, yeah. Okay.
put a lot of paint on the top and the bottom. The bottom is the same as the top.
Wow.
Just as clean.
That's amazing. Do you drive this in the winter?
You crazy? Nice driven in the rain.
Yeah. Thank you.
The big thing's the big engine in it that nobody knows about.
Yeah.